That is all.
Yeah. All right, well, I better go.
Yeah, I think that would be best.
Yeah. All right, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, but not about this.
No, never. Never. Bye.
No touch, no touch.
Hey.
Just, brought back your videos.
Hey, Ross, look, I think we need to talk about before.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Now, look, that was the best nap I ever had.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on, admit it. That was the best nap you ever had.
I've had better.
Okay, when?
All right, it was the best nap ever. I said it, okay? But it's over, Joey.
I want to do it again.
We can't do it again.
Why not?
Because it's weird.
Fine. You want something to drink?
Sure, what do you got?
Warm milk and Excedrin PM. Boy, I'll tell you, that judging stuff took a lot out of me.
Yeah?
Yeah. Think about maybe going upstairs and taking a little nap on my couch.
Why would I care about that?
No reason. I'm just saying that that's where I'll be. Great nap.
It really was.
Dude, what the hell are you doing?
Excuse me.